this case, it will not start. No gears, nothing. We'll shut the vehicle off. And we'll move up front. And what I found, if you play with this box here, just moving it around, it won't do it this time. Let's try again. After moving that wire, I can get the vehicle to start. Now I got, so I'll do it again. It's kind of like a hit or miss. Let's see. Of course, it'll start up on that one. Like I said, I had to do this a couple times for it to finally act up on me. Does anything. And now it won't start. No gears.